Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is how to get work on Upwork with no experience. Before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Let's get started now. Upwork is one of the largest global freelancing platforms where businesses and independent professionals come together for online work services. It has millions registered freelancers and 5 million registered clients. Each year, more than 3 million jobs are created through Upwork and they are worth over $1 billion USD in total. This has no doubt made Upwork the place that every service provider, whether it is a freelancer looking to earn a part-time income or a company looking to expand their business to connect remotely via Upwork. If you are new to the industry and you would like to get some work from Upwork but you zero experience, no worry, you can still make it. Every master was once a beginner, so as long as you are willing to learn, to keep trying and never give up, Upwork and can be a great place for you to earn your first lot of gold. So number one is get a good profile picture. One of the very first thing that your clients will see from your profile is your picture. When your client to request from work from someone, people will want to know your face and who you are, so upload and use a more professional picture for yourself. Unsmiling, grainy and poor quality picture will not only show that you are unprofessional and nobody like to work with people who are not professional. Your language skills are important. Small things such as misspellings, texting, lingo and poor grammar are red flags to clients, and this is especially true when you are bidding for a professional work. You should always check your spelling and read through what you have typed before. Create a sample. When you're trying totally new, you have no experience, no credibility and no testimonials, but they are one of very powerful tools you can create yourself, and that is simple of your work. Number 4 is low paying job can be a great start. This is one of the mistakes that most beginners will do. They thought that low paying jobs are not worthy because they have to spend a lot of time to get the work done, yet the payment cannot justify their effort. Don't be too desperate. It is absolutely fine if nobody wants to hire you. The beginning is too toughest and sometimes you just don't want to show you that you are desperate and get a job. Your desperation will scare your client away. Stay active. If you are serious to make money from Upwork, you will need to take action and submit your proposal. Do not think that once you have created a nice and a great profile, clients will come to you automatically. It does not work. That you need to do to go and put your name out there and win the contacts. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.